Hello guys, welcome to lesson 11, linear equation in one unknown in geometry preview. I'm Zerkaser. But firstly, we'll learn something about angles. So what is an angle? If I give you two lines, for example, this line and this line, and I give different letters to the end or the intersection points. Okay, I name the end here as A, and maybe this is B, right, and this is C. So how can we represent this angle? So basically, we can represent that as angle ABC, right? And what else? If there is no intersection points, if I just draw this one, A, B, and C. So I can just use the middle letter to show this angle, right? So angle B. But in school, maybe your teacher will ask you to represent angle as ABC or angle CBA, right? These two represents the same angle because there will be some cases that some lines will appear in the middle. For example, these two, right? Although it is still ABC, but in the middle, you can see if there is another line, I name this as B. If you name this one as angle B this time, this one could be angle ABC or angle DBC, right? Or angle ABD. So I don't know which angle does angle B refers to. So angle B is only applicable when there is no lines in the middle. For example, this case. And there will be a third way to name the angle. When there's angle ABC, right? And I can name this one as angle 1 or angle A. Okay, for example, this is angle A. Okay, and angle 1 and angle A are just to use some letters or numbers to show the angle. These are the basic three ways. Alright, and also, so there are different types of angles. I believe you guys have already know that, right? Probably the acute angle, 锐角, and the right angle, which is 直角, equals to 90 degrees. Let us draw them all together. Firstly, this is acute angle when angle is from 0 to 90 degrees. Does not equal to 0, doesn't equal to 90, right? And another angle, so this is 90 degrees. So this is right angle. This is acute angle. And if the angle increase a little bit more from 90 degrees to 180 degrees, so this one will be an obtuse angle, right? These are three different types of angles. And if I just give you a line like this one, so what does this one equals to? Actually, this angle will be 180 degrees in the straight line, right? And what if I goes a line to a circle? So from this one, I go from 0 to this one. What is the angle here? This one will be 180 multiplied by 2, which is 360 degrees. Okay, so what is the algebra in the geometry? So if you have some angles, like on the straight line, right, and in the middle there is a line dividing it. So maybe this is angle 1, this is 30 degrees. So what is angle 1? Actually, angle 1 equals to 180 degrees minus the 30 degrees, right? So it will be 150 degrees because this is adjacent angle, right, on a straight line. And if I have a point, for example, this is my point, and I have several lines surrounding it, so maybe 3 of them, right? And maybe this is angle 1, and this is, I would say, 100 degrees, okay? And maybe this is 150 degrees. So from this picture, I know angle 1 plus 100 degrees and plus 150 degrees, this one equals to 360 degrees. If I want to get angle 1, this one equals to 110 degrees. Alright, and there will be some other cases I would like to tell you. So for example, I just erase this part. If I have maybe some picture like this one, okay, and in the picture, it tells you that this is maybe 120 degrees, okay, and maybe this one will be 40 degrees, okay, and this one is 130 degrees, okay. So some students might observe that, wow, these two actually does not add up to 180 degrees, right? If the question does not tell you this line is a straight line, you cannot directly use 180 to minus 120. Okay, you have to use 360 to minus all the angles except for itself. Okay, so sometimes there will be some traps about this one. This is the preview video today, and thank you very much. See you guys in the class. Bye bye.